My name is Lenore Friend Chin. I'm 86. I'll be 87 in May. Neat, eh? Yeah.
Where did you grow up?
I'm from Timmins. You talked about, I could talk for 3 hours about Timmins. It's up north, right by the Arctic Ocean, and Hudson's Bay, James Bay, Moosonee, and then down and you get Timmins, 40 below, 50 below. I grew up wonderful, wonderful life in Timmins. I still dream about it, but I can't go back.
Can you talk about your experience getting to know Canada's First Nations people?
These are people that never had a music lesson that could play the piano. They had all kinds of things inside them. They were wonderful singers and poetry. Wonderful poetry. I wish I had written it down. And we would have them say the grace before the meal. And it would be to Mother Earth. They believe Mother Earth. We have God, Jesus, Mother Earth, thanking Mother Earth for the meat, the venison, the deer, the moose, and all the fish. We had speckled trout, perch, you name it. We had every fish. You could walk 2 blocks and there'd be a stream or a small lake. Have your dinner.
Tell me about your love of dancing.
Yes, I love dancing. My mother was a dancer. She was a family of 13, and they all danced, excuse me, and they all played the piano. It was in them, it was a gift. I got the gift of tap dancing. It's like I'm possessed. And I feel good after, really good.